Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain why Ireland is the best country. We'll explore its unique charm, starting with the deep roots of its culture and the warmth of its people. You'll discover how the breathtaking scenery, from ancient castles to rugged coastlines, contributes to its appeal. We'll also touch upon the excellent quality of life and the strong sense of community that makes Ireland truly special. Ireland's cultural tapestry is incredibly rich, woven with centuries of history. Its traditional music, often heard in lively pubs, is a cornerstone of its identity. You'll find ancient castles and historical sites around every corner, telling tales of a storied past. Irish literature, from famous poets to modern novelists, has also left an indelible mark on the world. The natural beauty of Ireland is simply breathtaking. Imagine dramatic cliffs meeting the ocean along the wild Atlantic Way, or the serene beauty of its many lakes and rivers. The country is famous for its 40 shades of green, a testament to its lush, verdant landscapes. These natural wonders provide incredible opportunities for outdoor activities and a peaceful environment. Beyond its beauty, Ireland offers a high quality of life. The education system is highly regarded, and healthcare services are readily available. Perhaps most importantly, the Irish people are renowned for their friendliness and welcoming nature, making visitors feel right at home. A robust economy also contributes to a comfortable and fulfilling lifestyle for many.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.